Yo, what up, squad? Let's get this all up and ready. Oh, we're still in this range, boy. Welcome, everyone. Let's just get this sorted over here. Let's do an Instagram post, actually. What if squad? We are live on YouTube. Make sure you come join, and link is in bio. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Welcome, everyone. Let's see where everything's at. I think we're alright for this music. Let me just turn it down maybe a bit more. There we go. There we go. Right, morning everyone. So today is going to be a fun day. Ooh, look at gold. Ooh, I like this already. Anyway, let's just start on GG and go down from there. So yesterday we finally broke below, which was nice. And now we are back in the range, which is great. So let's have a look at the daily over here. The last day was bullish, which is very, very good. So it came all the way down here, pulled all the way down, and it is now starting to rinse back up, which is great. So the daily flip is right at this point over here. Lovely. The 4 hour, on the other hand, is bearish. So two contradicting pairs over here. So for me, probably I'm going to be waiting until this candle flips. So this is kind of like a no trade zone. This little area here is only 5 pips. So that's good. Looking at it on the smaller time frames, you can see here we are actually holding this support, which is the daily. As you can see, this yellow line actually is the support. So this is the line that I'll actually hold. And for buys specifically, is probably going to be, I've got a new resistance now. So the resistance is between, let's have a look here, 152.060. If we do break this over here, we should continue, and then we have these wicks to the left, but with volume I think we should be okay to start exceeding and filling up this wick over here. So that's a good range for us to play in. For sells, highest on minus Myers, I haven't been able to catch any trade this week. Yep, same. Apart from yesterday, I got a goal, GJ sell, I think it was. But yeah, it hasn't been that many for London. Don't worry about it. You can't do anything about it. Right, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, so we'll just wait for breaks above. So let's just write these over here. Yeah, don't worry about that. You know, like you can't be upset with yourself if you know trades are not there. You know, being a good trader is being able to not take any trades for the week because there's no setups. So knowing that, and because we've been in a shitty range, is good. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at these cells over here. So what am I going to be looking for? I kind of want to, yeah, I kind of want a bit of a closure below this kind of level over here. So for me, let's have a look. Yeah, so for me, I'm going to have a kind of closure, like probably like this, in the next 30 or 50 minutes time. And next one to make a top wick, and then we start exceeding down. That'll be delicious for me. But it's early in the morning, guys. We'll be waiting patiently for this. But yeah, I'm going to be waiting for cells below this zone, I think. So, cells below 151.928 area. Hopefully we can get some nice trades on GG's today. So yesterday, the trade that I took, where was it? Is it here? No. Where the hell was it? Further down here? Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, so was it the 7th of September yesterday? Yeah, it was these moves here. I think it was down here, top wick. Oh, it was a bit later on. Oh, I think it was here. Anyway, yeah, I got some nice sells yesterday. Morning, Mr. GU. Oh, I think, yeah, GU's running down, isn't it? Let's have a look over here. Nice. Let's just do a bit of GU over here, guys. So, let's start it off again. Horizontal line, let's have a look. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to bash that like button to start off with. Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the 4 hourly over here. Yeah, the 4 hour closing down over here was nice. So that 6 o'clock open candle is going to be pretty delicious over here. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it looks like a nice sell-off. Ooh, this closed below here. Yeah, nice. So when did this happen? 7 a.m. 7 a.m. 13 pips. That was a decent one. Let's have a look here. USD CAD buy stops at 1.2660. Send me a chart and we'll have a look. So let's just look to the left where we could run over here. So we are coming towards certain supports, etc. Like right at the zone, which is exactly where it's tapped. Oh shit. Let me look over here. Yeah, like right here. But actually further down, you can see we have zones right here. There is a gap on gold ? Let's have a look. So yeah, continuing. I think getting into GU would be risky now. These were the entries at 7 o'clock. Let's have a look at gold. A gap on gold? No, there wasn't really a gap. You might be looking at the wrong chart, mate. You could be looking at the wrong chart over here. Use it, the currency one. Ooh, look at this daily. Yeah, yesterday I saw them sells. We looked at them in stream as well, but then further on there was more. So there's good options for sells everywhere, really. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hours looking good as well. Look at the hourly time frame. Oh, there is a gap there. Hello everyone. Morning. If you guys haven't liked this stream already, make sure to like it. Get it up for people. I think everyone's gonna be joining in a second. It's gonna be good stuff. Let's have a look over here. Where's the like button gone? I'm trying to find the like one. Oh, there you go. One second. Oh, I don't know where the light one's gone. Oh well. Right, okay. So for gold over here, I'm gonna be looking for sells, continued sells. I want the daily to be flipping though, so we still got a little time for gold. But preferably probably sells below this zone over here. So 1794, and then if we do start dropping down over here, we can fill these wicks up, which is about 20 pips, and then still continue down. So if you look left, let's find the next zone. Yeah, so next zone is like touching these levels over here. So let's just zoom a bit further in. So for me, the next zone on gold would be 1790. So that'll be pretty nice. So yeah, we're waiting for that patiently. Miss your beautiful accent. Dr. Dollars in the chat. Jeez. You got Jur 30. I need to check that actually. I can only wish I think my girl will like me more if I had to. 4 hour doesn't have a top wick. It worries me a bit. What is this for? Is this for GJ? Ooh, GJ's gonna look nice here, okay. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame over here. Yeah, so actually looking at the 15-minute time frame, you can see. So what's the measurement towards here? Yeah, 6 pips isn't really enough for me. So you know, you can have risky ones, but safer ones would probably be down over here at this point. But finally, it looks like you might be leaving the zone, please. I'm 5 for 5, fam. Shee! Thank you for subscribing, whoever this was. Mohammed, thank you for subscribing, my boy. 18 likes in the chat already. Sorry I've got a croaky voice. I was out on Monday night and yeah, I lost my voice, bro. I was partying too hard. Thank you, my boy. See you later, Dr. Dollar. I may hop on it after. But yeah, hopefully we can actually finally leave the zone over here. It looks like volume's coming in. So let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours pretty bearish, rejecting these highs again. And the daily, the daily did close bullish though. That is the only issue. So for me, I kind of want to wait. I'm gonna wait a bit further for these sells over here. Antonio, what are you thinking about these sells?
Yeah, same thing here. I was waiting below what was that? 151.794, I think.
Yeah, I was thinking. So
better.
we got yeah, we got a little bit here. Yeah, it's probably better to wait until we close because this little range over here,
100%.
like this. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's just make this up over here. Let's be safe for today, guys. Because I think when we do break, it'll be a lot easier. But it's just this kind of area can be a bit of a pain in the ass. Charts for streams, sir. Yes, we'll have a look at them. Let's have a look for the charts then, guys. Let's have a look. Let's take a look over here, guys. But looks choppy. Okay, so 800 Basin. So Big Mike's fire actually. I need to actually get Big Mike in the chat. He did some amazing chart work. So he's looking for sells again. Yeah, 151. He's looking for 750. So he's looking at the 30-minute time frame, some support. So they continue down for this range. This is a nice 25 pip range over here, and then buys above 152, 100. Amazing. Good idea, good idea. Yeah, we haven't taken many trades on charts in a long time. Yesterday I probably would have taken those gold sells if I was on the ball a bit, but I was still quite drunk to be honest. So I was kind of just chilling. So GBP USD stops above. Yes, this is what I was saying. This is the candle I would have got in. At 7 AM. So it's a nice 10 pips. Amazing. That's a solid trade. That I really like that. So you entered on the end. Entered when candle closed below support. Yeah, amazing. So you entered straight on the candle. So you do take a little bit of drawdown there, and then after that it still flies though. Amazing. Very easy. Very easy trade that was. Amazing, guys. So yeah, make sure you put your charts in there, just for upcoming trades and all that good stuff. Make sure you whack them in. But yeah, as I said, we just tapped this zone over here on GBP USD, so we'll have to wait patiently. So now I'm going to start to focus on gold over here. Yesterday I saw that 140 pip move, and I was in that shit from Asian. So I got into Asian for some reason. After that night out, I saw it and I was like, oh, bro. Don't have a big lot on because it was an Asian, but where was it? Yeah, it was here. 5 AM. So this 5 AM candle over here, there, closing below. Stop loss was 10 pips, and I actually dragged it all the way. Was it here? Did I take it off with this candle up? Yeah, I think here. So I got like 100 pips on gold, which is pretty fire. Gold Wanda showed me no top wick on the 4 hour. Oh, there's top wicks here. Let's have a look at my MetaTrader over here. Right now, there's top wicks and everything else.
Far on one on my screen doesn't have a top wick too.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I wonder what my IC market is. But for me though, this is looking good. I just need this close kind of below this kind of range over here, and then we should be good. Because for me, this 4 hour should continue down now. I mean, targets 1790 is going to be quite a nice target for it. That's a good 50 pips away, so we've got a lot of opportunity. Yeah, GJ here just needs to grow up a bit, I think. It must just really like price here. Let's just take a look at Forex Factory as well, guys, before we get into any trades. You normally have to check the news just to be safe. So we've got French stuff over here. We got Euro. We got AUD. We're all good. We're all good though. Monetary policy report hearings at 4 PM. So that's big news. So be careful if you've got any trades on with GBP at 4 p.m. You probably shouldn't, because that shouldn't really be in your time zone. But yeah, just be careful. Always check the news to avoid the news. But yeah, hopefully we can get some finally some nice trades in this bitch. But I bet a lot of people just woke up this morning and saw it still in this range. Like, oh my god. I'll see where this 15 closes though, but we will have to see over here. What are the characteristics of trading the pre-London and London Open? What does London manipulation look like? I think you're thinking about it too much. Manipulation. I think pre-London's where normally the setups are kind of. Pre-London is where normally the setups you get the closes, you start to look at where price is going to go, and then when the volume comes at 8 o'clock, that's when the entries are there, and it works very, very nicely. But yeah, London Open is where the volume comes in, and normally it normally goes in with the direction of what pre-London has been showing, so it is quite good. I'm filming a lot of videos today for the mentorship program, so when you guys join next week, oh no, this Sunday, sorry, you will already have like 3 hours, 4 hours content that you can watch, which will be pretty fire. But yeah, so these 4 hours over here, I mean, you can see we are really rejecting these highs over here. We tried a lot of times to break them, and we really can't. So we generally should start pushing down at this point. It's 151.820 and furthermore, because we've tried numerous times to break these highs, and we literally can't do it. So these sells are going to be nice. If weekly candle flips, it will be crazy. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, facts. Thing is though, oh yeah, the weekly is where the resistance is, isn't it? Yeah. If the weekly flips will be good, and I think it will at some point this week. But you just have to be patient. If you guys aren't new here, make sure to like. We're gonna be hitting 800 subscribers this week, which is gonna be pretty sick. Pretty sick over here. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. 47 views in the chat, and make sure to bash that like button, guys. The like button helps reach me a bigger audience. But yeah, it looks like we're going to be getting gold sells today, and maybe GJ sells as well. Yeah, G running off nicely there. Let's have a look at GBP AUD as well, actually. Yeah, trades recently for GJ have been oof. They've taken a long time. And mad. Ooh, snap. This looks clean, bro. Let's take a look over here. It's the daily bullish. It's gonna be exceeding the high. The 4 hours making support. We're starting to exceed over here. Look at this. So we have resistance at this level over here. When you wait for a closure in 14 minutes time. Let's just put this up a bit more over here. So if we do get a closure above the zone over here, GBP AUD is going to be nice for some buys. And where are we going to target? Well, we're going to target the next zone, which is here. Around about this zone over here. So let's just measure this resistance. Not this next zone. Oh, 50 pips. Shit. Okay. Okay. And is this half lots? I think it is, isn't it? It's 25 pips then. That's not bad though. So one is here, and then we've got another one here. But if this hourly candle closes like this in 30 minutes time above the range, this is going to be nice. So GA, I'd keep a watch on for sure. It's going to be looking tasty. Come on, GJ, my boy. Come on. You've been very good to me, but you do need to get out of this range now. How long has this game been on for? Second 5 days. Oh, 5 days. 5 goddamn days. I saw people that took a lot of sells on this candle over here, this rejection candle here, and that also that was pretty good, going back down to the lows of the ranges over here. That would have been pretty sick. Yeah, guys, if you've got any more charts over here, make sure to whack them in this chart of the stream. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Let's have a look how many people have ticked this rule box now. 175. Wow, there's still like 30 people who haven't. My God, I literally can't deal with that. There's 12 minutes time until you get this closure over here. It's gonna be looking nice though. Yeah, it's gonna be decent. But look at this price action, the 4 hours over here. Wowza. Wow, 51 viewers already, guys. It's only 7:47 as well. Amazing. Gonna be pretty good over here. Yeah, 12 minutes time. This is gonna be looking nice. Thoughts on this trade I just took? Yes, sir. Send me the link, my boy. GPUSD as well. Yeah, so we're just chilling. That was a good move though. That hourly close, it was nice. Sent a guy Azo. What? What the fuck you want about, Willis? I don't know why you sent it, Benny boy. Oh, okay. Okay, gold. I can't see it in the YouTube chat, bro. Oh, try and send it in Discord, because the YouTube doesn't let you send your own links for some retarded reason. You have to take the HTTP bit off and stuff. Yeah, so for me, if we could get a 15-minute closure over here, probably looking something like this. Next one to make a top wick and then to flip over here. Oh, look at this volume, bro. 30 minutes exceeding. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, look at this push over here. This is looking good. We've got some wicks over here, so you need to wait for the close. I mean, getting in here is just going to be risky because we've got... The reason why I don't like getting into here is because of these wicks. Getting in will be very risky. You can't... You know, one of these candles may run down, but you can't guess which one it is because you'll be there all day. And you'll be losing a lot of money whilst you're trying to get that one trade to just push. Like, you could have tried that here, and you would have been stopped out. Like 15 pips, 30 pips. So, you know, even though it looks tempting, that's pushing and stuff, they also did this with these candles. So, it's always thinking about that. For continued sales, it looks pretty good though. I like this 4 hour, I like the hourly. Just need really this hourly to close below over here. 30 minutes to close below. So then continue down. For gold, we have a nice trade to keep on pushing down. Yes, sir, we sure do. Yep. I'm getting this freezing in this room. Holy shit. It's freezing. Are you looking for gold trades, Antonio, today?
Yeah, I am. I am looking for sells, but the 4 hour on my end has no top wick, so it's kind of like, But yeah, I'm still open to take sells because it may still drive down. So
yeah. That's my my top wick on this is like huge. My top wick's fucking 30% something.
Yeah, I use the Owanda provider. That's why.
Yeah.
I think. What do you use? I use currency.com.
Yeah, currency.com because the wick's good, but it's pretty much the same as my IC market. So, why don't you show your lovely profits? Oh, they're coming. I'm actually gonna do I think at the start of next week or next month, I'm gonna be doing what Raja does and just puts his account, like, you know, he'll do like October live, September live. That's what I'm gonna do. I just haven't got around to doing it. I've just been fucking busy doing the mentorship thing's been huge. So, but yeah, definitely next month I'll be doing that. So all the trades will be literally there. I'll show you every day. And yeah, which will be good fun. So let's have a look over here. Ooh, we're gonna get the breakdown. So 4 hours exceeds that lower than the previous already. The hourly is gonna be closing strong bearish. This 30 minutes been hovering here for ages. Holy shit. How's it, guys? GJ looking nice for some shorts. Yeah, it's looking nice. Thing is, if you get in right now, I mean, you've got just got about 10 pips, I suppose. For me, I need this candle to close a bit stronger. For me, look at the 5 minute. Yeah. Still got 7 minutes left for this candle over here. Yeah, can you see all these wicks? So, like, even getting in here it could be hard because, like, look at these wicks. It's very, 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 very delicate area. Look at this. Look how many wicks are there. So, you know, even like trying to get into cells here, yeah, it could be a good idea, but as I said before, same with gold. If you tried that on the other ones over here, you'd have been goosed. Sorry about my my voice is so croaky, holy shit. But yeah, safer cells will be down here, 820, and hopefully with volume it should be able to push through this zone quite nicely. For sure. 59 viewers in the chat, guys. Make sure to bash that like button if you haven't already. Hopefully we'll be trying to get some more trades, man. The first like 3 weeks of trading here was sick. We got trades every single day basically with fire. These past week and a half, oh my god, like no London trades for me at all. Yesterday there was gold sells, but I wanted the 30 minutes to close and it already ran. But yeah, GJ has not had any trades for like 6 days, which is mad. So I've seen the lows over here, which is looking good, nearly. But yeah, 6 minutes time to get this closure over here. And I mean, to be honest, if this closure happens and we do get a wick up and then flip, I could just enter, to be honest, because I think with volume we should drive down, and that'll be 10 pips there, and then a runner could do the big trade. So 6 minutes time. And if not, then we can get trades down here, which is going to be amazing. And finally leaving the zone again. We've got really nice zones to go as well, which is good. Huge zone there. 26 pip zone. Damn! That's going to be looking good over here. So this is running now. We're going to be looking nice with some sells. So I need this hourly to close bearish like this. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, it's gonna be looking pretty good over here. Why is my nose so itchy? Holy shit. So yeah, this will be coming now. This is gonna be looking good, guys. It's gonna be looking good. So you're gonna get a strong closure. The only issue is it's 15 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting down over here. 820. Nice. Oh, this coffee's fucking sexual, holy shit. So yeah, this hourly's gonna close over here. Nice. It's gonna be delicious, guys. Delicious. It's gonna be pretty good. GPAUD hasn't closed above. In 4 minutes time, if you don't get that closure above, for me there'll be no trade. But if you do get this closure over here, this is going to be a solid trade. You're going to wait for it to flip. This could just run. Yep, I'm going to wait for the flip. And also, because we closed in this range over here, I'm probably going to be taking trades down here at this point, 820. Because if you look over here, let me just identify. Always look left, guys. If you enter trades, always look left. Clean candles are the ones you want to watch. Look, we've got supports here, supports here, supports here, all that kind of stuff. If you just wait further down to here, you get a lot cleaner candles down. Look at this pull up again. This is why getting in here is just a bit too risky for me. Lots of wicks to the left, as you can see. Wait until we get past these wicks over here, and then we should be good. Wow, 63 viewers on a Wednesday, amazing. Let's run them likes up as well, guys. Run them likes up. We should hit 50 likes. But yeah, we're going to be hitting 800 subscribers, so nearly 1,000 for the Magic Keys giveaway. That'll be pretty sick. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. Make sure to subscribe. Oh, let's see if goals could start on this. Oh snap! So now it's which pair should I look at? I'll have let's get my Magic Keys over here. Why on trading view weekly candle missing? What? Weekly candle? Alrighty, here.
Gold trade is flipping on cards.com, but for no wonder the gold is not yet. Yeah, so there might be another offer.
Yeah, fair. So 2 minutes time we're getting a closure over here on GBP AUD, and this is going to be a pretty nice trade over here. God, there's a lot of trades coming. This is pretty sick. Gold it needs 2 minutes to close below the zone over here. GJ needs to close solidly below here. He pulled out a sell on GJ, guys. I have hacked the max's screen now. Pulled out, bro. I got my stop loss here ready. Look. I'm ready to enter a sell. That's why I have my my sells and TP just put there. So my full TP's here. I need to put partial TPs more. I swear. You can do partial TPs while it's open. That's sick. Yeah, I need to do partial TPs because the amount of times, like, I think it happened last week a lot, and it was so annoying. I'd do an amazing trade. It would get to like 9.9 pips, and I'll hit 10, and then run back up and hit me a break even. Like, oh my god. So like now I'm gonna put like partial TPs at 10 pips, and then the magic keys can do it for me because it's fucking annoying. Yeah, facts, bro. Ooh, look at this closing up, bro. This is what I'm saying. Is if you got in there, man, you'd been pretty goosed. Look at this. Let's take a look at GBP AUD over here. Oh, we're gonna get a closure. Okay. Where's GBP AUD on this bitch? I don't even have it open. Yeah, so people who trade in GBP AUD, sorry, amazing. What lights did you use for the 25k? 3.5 lot I felt was like the sweet spot. 2.5 lot for GJ and then 2 lot for gold. So yeah. Look at the weekly. 1 second. There was a weekly candle, look. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, this is GBP AUD. Oh well, 1 sec. It doesn't matter. We knew the weekly was there. So, right, it's kind of got a closure over here, guys. So if you do trade GBP AUD, this is going to be a solid trade. I mean, you could put your stop loss below the previous candle. Let me just take a look at some other pairs. So gold stayed back in the zone over here, so there's no trade for gold over here. Let's take a look at GJ though. GJ's closed back up here, so for me there's no trade until 8:20 at that point. This candle here came all the way down and closed back on support, so for me there is no trade at this point. GBP AUD over here, this is the trade I'm going to be looking at. Ooh, so how can you enter at this point? So if you do start seeing, yeah, we've got a nice little target. So if your stops over here, 12 pip stop for a 28 pip gain over here. Look at the 4 hour, exceeding these highs, exceeding these wicks. Could be a very nice opportunity here, guys. Maybe wait until it gets a bit of a bigger lower wick, and then you should be good. Obviously, I don't really trade GBP AUD, but I'm just paper trading it for a lot of time. Smoking a joint and watching your stream, bro. That's fire. Oh, look at this now. So probably for me, I'd probably activate this at this point. Stop loss below here. Let's see how this goes. This is me paper trading it, but people taking this, it looks like a valid opportunity. Look at the hourly push in. Let's take a look at this over here. Yeah, so for me, no trade on gold at this point. But let's take a look and see how this works over here. So I'm just paper trading this, but it looks like it'll be pretty decent. So yeah, let's look at left to see if there's any zones. No, clean candles up, guys. So we're running nicely already. GBP AUD looks pretty sexual, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see though. Oh shit. I shouldn't mean to hide. How the fuck do I get it back? So how would you manage risk? Yeah, so it was actually done on the 30-minute over here, so you could have it on the 30-minute. But if you do exceed the low of the previous 15 over here, probably take off 50% at that point. But you should be running on like 22 pips right now. Not 22 pips, 2 pips at this point. But this is valid, you know, we get a close above. This is a textbook trade over here. Close above, wait for the low wick, exceeding the highs. So this should be taken. If this is GJ at that point, I would be taking that all day, every day. So for gold, because it closed 30-minute back in this zone over here, there's no trade for me yet. We have to wait a bit later on. But this over here is gonna be a pretty decent trade, I think. Look at that strong candle. This is what I like, you know, just strong candles above the range. So here we go over here. We've just hit 5 pips profit over here, and this is amazing. If you guys took this trade, make sure to give it a like on the stream over here. Should be good now to continue up bullish over here. Wow, let's go, keep on pushing, my boy. You took it, amazing, Nathan. So now, I mean, you could. Do you want this candle, this 50-minute candle, to flip bearish? Probably not. So, you know, always take wary of that. You know, could you just put your stop loss to break even? Maybe it's a bit too early. Let's just look left, see if there's any more zones over here. Nah, clean candles though. Ooh, we've got a little bit of wicks here. So maybe at this point, put your stop loss to break even. Maybe. Should continue over here though, for sure. Looks like GJ's starting to push down now. Let's go. So let's have a look over here at this point. 11 minutes time. Finally, we can actually escape this zone, please. So 820 this zone I'm going to be looking for some sells, which is going to be looking tasty. Come on, GBP AUD, hit that TP. So first TP will be at 7.5, so like here. Just zoom in over here. And that'll be pretty nice, guys. 7 pips already. Stop loss to break even. Amazing. Amazing trade, GP. Is this on GJ or GA? This GA was clean though. Obviously, paper trading though, like if you don't trade a pair often, this really does help, and it gives even like the candles and how they move. It's just different with different things. Like GJ moves like this. Like very quick, very stop. So like for this could take a lot more time. I don't know. That's why I'm just doing it to master it basically. Yeah, GA clean moves. Yeah, facts. Really good option for GA. But like it's just managing risk here. So do you want this candle to flip over here? Do you want it to exceed the low of the previous 15? I think you really will be good. Probably move your stop loss now for me. I'd probably just move it under the 15 over here. Shouldn't really be coming back. But it depends on your comfort levels, all that good stuff over here. GER 30. Need to check GER 30 at this point. We will in a second. But it looks like we're coming down here for GJ. It's going to be looking good over here, guys. We're going to be getting some sells, finally. Finally, they're coming, boy. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream, guys. 73 viewers in this chat. Let's get a 50 likes today. Look at this, gold reacting on these levels. There was no sells here. I was looking for sells with closures right here. Didn't get that. And it looks like GA's come back and probably hits your break even if you're getting out. It's all about your comfort levels over here. This is me paper trading it, but so let's just still see. I'm gonna call this one on. I think it should be good. After some execution, I got you. Yeah, send me a GER 30. It looks pretty good though.
We got volume on GJ.
Innit? Finally. It's been like fucking 6 days, please. I mean, yesterday was alright to be fair, but just the London session. Ass! GJ tickle below our cells, no entry yet. Yes, sir! Wait for this 15-minute candle to close over here. Yeah. That'll be pretty nice. That'll be pretty nice. It looks like yeah, still in this trade over here. This trade's gonna be nice. This is a nice trade. I just like how strong the hourly candle is. You know, our stop loss is right in this next zone, in the previous zone. It really should continue. But it's all about your kind of your levels. Do you really want to take off 15 when you get to here? Do you want to take off? You would position a 30 pip, the 30-minute low. So what you probably want to do now is, if this candle closes back in the range over here, like here, then you would take some off for sure. That's how you kind of manage this trade over here. So how much should we actually run by? Yeah, 7 pips over here. Right, let's focus on GJ over here. We're gonna be pretty good. Need to continue down. Because 8 o'clock candles, a 50-minute closing down over here. Whew. Nice. Another break even. That's all good. That's all good. Take that with a pinch of salt. I still think it'll be alright, to be honest. I'd probably still keep it on, but it depends. If you wanted this 50 minutes to flip, that's completely fair enough. But we'll see. We'll hold on and see what happens. I closed full on GBP, caught an easy 6 pips. W. Well done. Well done. Amazing. Let's look at the 1 minute over here. Yeah, it will be good now. Hopefully. Especially though, if you're not new to GBP AUD, I think a lot of you guys are probably quite new to it. That's good though. Taking that break-even trade, you can see how it moves. You can see maybe for GBP AUD you need to give it a bit more leg room, whereas GJ normally doesn't need to do that. Normally just flies. So GJ activated. Ooh. So yes, GJ activating. You need to wait a bit longer for me, unfortunately. I have to wait. Because getting in now, where's your stop loss? Here? Yeah. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream, guys. Make sure you bash that like. We're hitting like 71 viewers consistently now. I mean, this is amazing. It's going to be growing. I mean, the reason why we're struggling at the moment to gain any more viewers is because there's been no bloody trades for 5 days on GJ. Come on, GJ. Give me them zoned breaks, boy. But, you know, you can't do anything about that, you know. When I was younger, I'd be forced, like, sometimes, like, if I was going to do a stream and stuff with people, I felt forced to take a trade. Now, like, I don't give a shit, you guys. I think the biggest thing is, like, knowing that there's no trades today. Market's moving slow these days. Yeah, there's still moves. It's just, yeah, you just have to be patient. But look at this. Look at this gold over here. That's mad. Look at that wick up. So this is why, you know, sell stops on this just won't work. You need to be careful. Let me just start recording. I need to do a YouTube video today for sure. 45 likes in the stream. Amazing, guys. Looks like we're still running over here on GBP AUD at this point. And we should be continuing now, exceeding the high of this. This is amazing. So if you do hit TP over here, this is going to be a nice W. I hope you guys, some of you guys may have kept it on, some of you guys may have not kept it on. But we should really continue over this point, and we'll be getting outside pips over here, and then runners all the way up here, which would be nice. Yeah, there's a little resistance at 913. That's fine. How much will your mentorship be? $49.99 a month. And actually, I'm gonna do some sort of deals if people want to play in crypto. That's what I'll probably do, to be honest, because I kind of want to build my crypto portfolio. So yeah, let's look over here, guys. We're running nicely over here now. Damn. So now I'd probably put your stop loss to break even at this point. Shouldn't really be coming back. And look at this over here. Here we go, guys. Amazing. Look at this trade, man. So this is good. So I'm liking it. So look, another trade I can add into my book about GBP AUD over here. Amazing, guys. You just called out a GBP AUD trade on the live stream. Amazing. This is actually going to be running nicely now. So we're up 13 pips. So people who held that on, well done. Congrats. Amazing. So that was a fire trade. Make sure you get some W's in the chat if you guys caught that. If it's a break even as well, that's also a W, guys. It's also a W. Amazing. So let's have a look at GJ over here. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. So yeah, really good zones over here. Look, it's gonna hit our TP here. This is gonna be fire, guys. Amazing. Look at this trade, boy. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at the W's in the chat. Let's go. Amazing. Mate, break even W's, take that shit. It's good. It's good managing your risk. You manage your risk. 17 pip, so fuck. Amazing, guys. Look at this. Me and Dr. are helping you with FTMO challenge. Amazing, guys. That's fire. Look at that. GPAUD. Yeah, I definitely need to start looking at GPAUD now because that was pretty decent. Look at the spike, bro. So 2 minutes time. Stopped out a break even on GJ. Where did you get in? Here? Where did you get in? Southak, send me a chart. So yeah, let's actually just write in here. So that's really good, you know. But you can see sometimes, you know, if you're doing a new pair, don't have to take the trade. Just keep on back testing it. GA buy plus like 20 pips over here. Really good. So guys, if you did catch that trade or get a break in a trade or learn something from about that trade, amazing. So this is, you know, clear price action over here for this trade. You know, we got a candle closing above and then we react off. Amazing. Doesn't take too long. Look, we're gonna be hitting these zones at the top here. Very easy. Yeah, very clean trade. So over here, let's see if we can get this closure in 50 seconds time, and then we can finally look for GJ. I can finally look for GJ. I'm in GJ short 151905. Okay. To be honest, I think if you got into some trades over here, your stop loss should be break even at this point. People put in charts for stream. I'm gonna have a look at them in a sec. I'm just focusing on this for 1 second, and then we can look at these charts everyone sent. But thank you for sending them. Now I'm sorry that I closed it. No, that's not the way to look at it. I'm telling you. I used to get pissed off when I'm like, oh, break even, but then it ran. You know, you need to be careful over here. Today we have caught 20 pips on GPAUD over here. Is it 20 pips? Did we actually get 20? Yeah, 20 pips at this point. Watch TP for GJ. Right, so we've got a close below. Okay, now we need to wait for this top wick to form, and then we can get some trades in over here. The reason why I have to wait for the top wick is because my stop loss here is be 13 pips. It's too much for me. Yeah, 50-minute candle close on GJ. I see it. What each time you start the streams? I think it's 6:30. I know, 3:30. What's it, Antonio? Is it 3:30?
Oh, for like Eastern time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 2:30.
2:30. That's it. 2:30.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, look at the 30-minute. I was gonna say, there. Yeah, this zone right here. Wouldn't you want to wait for a closure?
Yeah, I know. I'm
that
thinking
instead?
that. I saw that before in someone's charts, and I was like, oh shit. This 30-minute over here is on support. I mean, on the 50-minute over here, yeah. So if you look, the 50-minute over here has closed below, has a little bit of a kind of support over here, which is also the 30-minute. Let's look at the hourly over here. So the reason why, yeah, Antonio brings up a good point here. So can you see these wicks over here? But we have got a 50-minute closure, which is nice, and it is making at the moment a top wick. For me, I mean, maybe an impulse, to be honest. I think I'd be happy to take it if we do exceed these lows and we're exceeding these wicks. We'll see over here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah. That traffic on the 30 is annoying.
Yeah, because I was gonna say, like, if you wait for a closure on the 30 minute and 30 minute closes like somewhere within here, then the 15 minute has a clean range in this area to fill.
Yeah.
So you could use 15-minute stops instead of the 30 minute, because the 30 minute would be way too big.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. That is true. Let me think over here. Because I like these candles here, clean candles all the way down. When we came here before, we did just run. If it makes a nice top wick and does start exceeding, though, I may just enter, to be honest, because I'm happy with that. Depends how big this top wick is. But yeah, this 30-minute will give you more of an indication. But at the moment, it is looking pretty bearish at this point. It does only have 12 minutes left, though. That is pretty good. What if it doesn't make high wick? What if it doesn't make a high wick? Do you mean like any wick or like no top wick? If it makes no top wick, then I'm not going to enter a trade. But if it doesn't make a high one, and it's hard to put your stop loss somewhere, you'd probably just have to put it, I mean, like just 10 pips away over here. But the longer it is up here, in this candle, that I'm happy with it. Oh yes, so managed to get 30-minute support. Yeah, someone's chart showed it really nicely, but you can see here. But the thing is, if we do flip and start exceeding this zone over here, then we are leaving that support. And I do expect with volume we should just push, but we'll just wait over here. Let's take a look at GBP AUD. Oh, look at that retracement. Damn. But yeah, that would have been take profit there anyway. But look, hit break even now. Amazing trade though. That was really fire. Oh, look at this gold over here. Okay. So gold for buys at this point. Let's look at the daily and the 4 hour. Yeah, daily yesterday was bearish as fuck, to be honest. But buys above 1800 are going to be pretty good, I think. So wait till that comes. GJ is making his top wick over here, which I'm liking. Gold finally making a top wick. Okay. So let me just look at these charts and stuff. So yeah, so Brian, who's in Salisbury here, you should have your stops to break even at that point. That'd be pretty fire. Let's have a look. Hey bro, do you draw your charts on 15? I see 30-minute support. Yeah, amazing. That's what we just talked about. On the 50-minute, if this candle closed bullish and then the next candle breaks the low, would be an excellent entry. Yep, I think so. That'd be a celery play. That'd be nice, and that'd be the 30-minute flipping and driving down. Good idea. Took a risk entry on GG. Rejection from Asian. What do you think? Okay, let's have a look over here, and then I'll look at Discord for the charts as well. Oh, I'm just paying attention to this over here. 1 second. Left. Come. I think it's 9 minutes. Then it'll have to make us top wick. But if we do start exceeding these lows over here already, 1780 with an 840. Yeah. Being very, very patient here. This volume though is going to be looking tasty. It's got 8 minutes left. It's a perfect time for it to push. But it is on this 30-minute support, which is annoying. If that 30-minute support wasn't here, I'd be in this trade nearly. Exceeding the lows will be a lot safer though. Let's just give it a bit more time. So yeah, gold's coming up. Let's take a look at this chart that someone sent me. I think it was Kelsey, was it? No, Tayan sent me this chart. Let's have a look then. Let's take a look at this chart, guys. We've got 67 viewers in consistently. This is amazing. Oh, we are pushing down now. Let's have a look over here. You've seen the low of the previous over here. Yeah, here we go. Oh, it's so annoying. It's like, bro, I just want to get in. Still not in yet. Let's have a look at the 30. It's got 8 minutes left. That's a long time. I think this is gonna fly. Yeah, I'm gonna enter here, guys. I'm happy to take this trade at this point. So let's have a good cover here. So I got into a trade at this point. I think with the volume we should start exceeding. Yes, 30-minute resistance, but I think with the volume we should start pushing pretty nicely. My stop is above the current candle high, just 7 pips away. So we'll see over here. See if we can keep on continuing. I think with the volume it should be good. Look at this hourly candle over here. We'll have to see though. We'll have to see. So while we are in this trade at this point, how am I going to manage risk? I've got 5 minutes over here. Yeah, nothing really much I can do. I've got a 7 pip stop anyway, so I don't really care. So we'll take a look at this trade when we. Oh shit. So I've got 2 pips over here. So I've actually got my stop loss. Yeah, this is nice, and I've got my take profit down at these little lows over here, which we should be continuing down at this point. So when this is trading, let's have a look at this chart, as I said. So JPY 30 minutes. Ooh, I couldn't. So green is there. Okay, he took a risky sell in the zone, a 30 minute with rejections to the highs. 4 hour close bearish structure, all that good stuff. Rejection to the high. Yep, took a risk trade. Wouldn't take this all the time. GJ had been failing to break for a few days now. Broke 4 hour wick. TP1 and TP2. Wow, amazing. Amazing. And now runners would be nice as well. But yeah, that's it's good. I mean, yeah, wait for the closure below would have been a bit safer, but to be honest, getting in for the Asian high is pretty decent as well. So I'm looking over here, guys, and I'm actually going to be closing this trade maybe in a second if you don't keep on pushing. Oh, there we go. Because I was thinking if it's 30 minutes, it's got 5 minutes left, it's going to make a top wick at this point. I kind of want it to push very, very quickly now. Let's go to 5 minute though. Yeah. Sells are safe on 30. Yeah, but the 30 minute is going to make a high, so it's like if I want to be in this trade, it's going to be making a high. How much did I get slipped by? Holy shit, I thought I entered it way before then. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, it's 15. I know the 30 minutes can be making a top wick. So the issue is that I either keep this on now or enter a bit later on, which is what Antonio was looking at. We're running up 3 pips here. Yeah, we should be continuing pushing down. Come on, boy, let's go, let's go. Come on, squad. If we get a double over here again, holy shit. 4 pips, 4 pips. We need to keep pushing, my boy. Let's go, let's go. Get rid of all this traffic, though, man. Get rid of all this traffic. For me, yeah, I really wanted to keep on continuing down over here. Connor's got a trade as well over here. Let me just do this. Lovely. Did he flip you in? Did you get into this trade and took 10 pips there? Looks like you did. Wow, so you entered on just the impulses, or exceeding the low of the previous on the 30. Wow, nice. It worked pretty nicely for you. Pretty decent over here. So you got your 10 pips, and then now runners should be pretty good if you didn't get stopped out. Wrong chart. Oh, here. Entered on the break of this low if you're comfortable with the impulse entries, then and only then. When there's volume, 10 pips secured. Amazing. Amazing. Congrats. Congrats. So yeah, GJ's still on over here. 5 minutes close bearish, which is nice. Yeah, I think we should still be good, to be honest. It's just this 30 minute, which is a bit annoying me because it is going to be making top wick. It's just how big will this top wick be? Okay. You should learn to say Yalla Habibi. Come on, GJ, give me them pips, boy. So how am I going to manage risk at this point? It's very, very hard to do still, because my stop loss is alright over here. But I kind of just want GJ to keep on pushing down and not even thinking about to hit my stop loss. Come on, GJ, keep on pushing. Come on, my boy. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. We just hit 5 pips in profit over here, 6 pips over here. Pretty tasty over here. We could be good. This hourly's pushing down. Keep on pushing, GJ. 79 viewers in this chat, amazing. So what am I gonna do now? You know, for me, this 15-minute, yeah, I've got it under the 15 minutes. It's gonna be 2 minutes time. The 30-minute, we've left this zone now, so we really should continue down. So I'm happy to hold this trade. The only issue is that this 30-minute is gonna have to make a top wick, and I have to be able to hold this, which is a bit annoying. I want it to run down now, so I don't have to do this. I could have my stop loss to break even, but it's only like 2 pips away, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, for me, I don't want to take any drawdowns, so I'm actually going to put my stop loss to break even at this point. Yeah, let's put my stop loss to break even. The reason is because I don't want this top wick, and this top wick can be quite aggressive, because the 30 minutes is a big candle. It could literally run up another 10 pips, so I'm not taking a loss considering I've been in, you know, 6-7 pips profit at this point. I really want the price to keep on pushing down. So stop loss to break even at this point. Has 6 pips, which is what I normally do. But yeah. So, you know, taking the fact that the 15 minutes is still continuing, we're closing nicely. I do expect the price to still run down, but the issue is that the 30 minute is closing right now, and we'll be making a top wick. So for me, I am going to be getting out of this trade if it hits my break even. So break even's here. If it doesn't want to hold that, that's completely fine. I hate it when trades have been in like 6-7 pips profit and then they go into reds. Like, no, that's not my style. I like being in and out. I expected with that volume to push. So yeah, we'll have to see over here. So 50 seconds left over here. I'm at one pips profit. It's gonna hit my stop loss to break even very, very soon. Oh, come on, TJ. Let's go. Okay, we're starting to push now. Yes. 5 minute. Come on. Like this 1 minute nearly tapped me out right here. Now drive down, bitch. So yeah, we talked about G8 today. We talked about GJ with the sells, amazing. It's looking pretty promising though for later. We're finally leaving this zone over here. Price reached 4 hour, just to hit break even. My break even hasn't hit yet. Let's go, let's go. Come on, we're 4 pips profit now. It's looking good, it's looking good. So we've just opened a new candle right now, so we have to make the top wick. Am I gonna be able to finish this trade with a win? Let's see, let's see. 76 viewers, yeah, yes, cool. Make sure you like the stream, guys, as well. 50 likes is a bit less for what we normally get. We normally get like 70, 80. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. But amazing trade at this point. Happy to take this for a break even, because look at this. This 30-minute candle just closed. Gonna make a top wick. It's just how big is this top wick? It's probably likely gonna hit me out. I'm wanting it to drive down pretty quickly at this point. But yeah, break even trade if we don't. So I'm up 5 pips profit over here. Just needs to get that last little push, and we should be good. Should be good over here. And I risked like 7 pips over here, so pretty nice. But yeah, very, very likely I'm going to get stuck out breaking. But that's all the game is, you know. So Antonio, are you thinking about entering soon when we make this top wick and then flip maybe?
Yeah, when we get a decent top wick, I'm looking to get in on the flip.
That's facts. I'll probably happy to enter it again, to be honest. It's just I'm hoping.
Or even potentially the break of the lows.
Yeah.
I'll be entering on the break of lows.
Yeah, the break of the lows over here. As long as it doesn't exceed the high of the previous 15 as well, it should be pretty good. Yeah. To be honest, I'm still in this trade, which is pretty good. That I haven't been stopped out. 78 viewers. Let's go, mate. Let's like this stream, man. Let's get this up. Come on, GJ. Give me that last push, my boy. I need it. If you do exceed these lows over here, though, 700, we're gonna be pretty nice. We're gonna be 800 subscribers as we hit it. Oh shit. Let's have a look over here. Wow, 800 subscribers, guys. 200 away from the giveaway. That's amazing. So if you guys haven't subscribed and you found my channel, make sure you subscribe. We've been growing pretty nicely. I'm wanting GJ to flip and exceed this low, and then I should be good. I'm not gonna lie, should be good. Is GA still continuing? Oh, it is. Oh, it didn't even hit break even nearly. Oh, it nearly did. Damn. Let's look at gold over here. Wow, look at that gold. Came all the way back up. Damn. Oh shit. Oh snap. Are other people getting in soon? So if people are getting in now, I'd probably have your stop loss above the previous 15. So continue down 15 pips away. Custom Ferrari magic keys giveaway. Let's go. Yes, bro. I need magic keys. Well, as long as you subscribed, you always entered. Oh, come on. Hasn't exceeded the low yet. Come on, man. Don't you wick all the way back up again. Did you get activated there? Did people get in?
No, I didn't get in because of the top wick. It wasn't steep enough.
Yeah.
Well, deep enough for me yet. It was only like 4 pips.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for a steeper.
That's fair enough, to be honest. Yeah, I need a bit of a steeper top wick. And we should be good. Yeah, it's just making a little nice little cheeky top wick over here. It should be continuing down again. Somehow I'm still in this trade, which is pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Oh, nearly out. Yeah, I'm out now. Fuck. We're out, boys. To wait a bit longer over here. We have to wait a bit longer. Wait for this top wick and then, yeah, maybe flip in, I suppose. Should be good. It's going to continue down.
At this point, if we come down and break the 30-minute lows, I'll be entering using the current candle stops.
Yeah.
I think it's enough for me now.
Yeah. For sure.
It's around like 8-9 pips. Not bad.
Yep. Yeah, it'll be 8-9 pips like that. Nice. Sure. See, so, you know, managing my risk there, guys, with the break-even trade. Shouted you out on the gram. Oh, my boy, thank you very much. But yeah, like you can see, I knew that if we didn't push here, we're going to make a top wick over here, and it could get me out, which is annoying. That's what happened. Now there's 5 minutes close bullish, so yeah, I have to chill a bit. It's got 10 more minutes this candle though, and 24 minutes is 30, so we've got a lot of time. It's only 8:30. Wow, guys, make sure you like the stream, make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell you what, amount of times I've been having some 7-pip trades at the moment. Goddamn. To be honest, that 8 o'clock candle over here, sitting the lows over here. Damn. Yeah, we're just focusing on this, and then we can start looking at more charts as well. Oh, 1800 breaking these little zones over here. And GBP AUD still continuing. Sub. What up, squad? Take a look at Discord over here. Let's look at charts for the stream. Wow, we got some more charts for the stream. Holy shit. Let me do this. One second, where is it? Right, okay, I'll put a market pending on. Over here, nice. just moving my stop loss, not stop loss, TP. These zones over here. Nice. Okay. So, let's have a look at this chart. Okay, so GJ looking for sells below 1518. Looks like 20 kind of level. 800 is much cleaner. Yep, agreed. I agree with you there. And looks very, very good. Looks like you'd be eating. Give you some cutlery for that. So we've got into some sells over here. Who's this? Oh, Sarthak over here. You got hit at break even, did you say? Nice trade though. Said shit. It was due to spreads. Yeah, sometimes. What broker you on though? Is this another one? Oh, that took you out. Oh, that's a bit annoying. That's a bit annoying, but what can you do here? You can't really do much about that. Just have to move on. Yeah, the little pips there, you know, you can't really do much about it. Ooh, wow, this is a impulse entry on the breaking of 151900. Entry taking, flipping and breaking this wicked rejection. These are pivot points. Target was 15 pips, took partial at 10. Pip ran to 13.6. Amazing. Amazing trade over there. Gorgeous. And have a look at the last one. So everyone taking these sells and exceeding the low here at 900 level. Amazing. So when you're exceeding them wick sells, so you're getting into sell stops. A lot of people got into sell stops today and they worked out beautifully to get back to this lower range over here. And now runners should be doing amazing. Just guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. We talk about an NY session, all that good stuff. Let's take back to this trade over here. So this was at break even. Let's just wait until we exceed these lows again, and then we should be good. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Please tell me about gold buy. What was your idea? Gold buy. The reason why I kind of don't want it is because yesterday's candle was so bullish. Not bullish, bearish at this point. So kind of wanted to stay away from that. What's about this? How do you decide when to just close at 7-8 pips at a full? I don't. 7-8 pips is just where I have break even. But to be honest, if there's like big if there's big candles that are like kind of here, like big supports or like little wicks, then I'll probably will. Or at least have my stop loss to break even. Kind of just depends. Yeah, it just depends at that point. When putting in your stop loss, do you account for spread or just put right at the wick? Account for spread as well. But because it's IC markets, the spread is quite cheap and it's only one pip, so I have 1 pip at break even. So let's run up back over here. Nice. Still got a lot of time though in this 30-minute candle over here, so it's alright. As long as it didn't exceed the high of the previous 15, should be good for continued sells at that point. Let me just do this over here. Alright, there we go. I was moving that entry a bit lower. So that was a break-even trade before. Yeah, we just need to wait for this candle to flip, and then we should be pretty good for these TPs over here. So TP I do have at the next zone here, which is 550. Nice. So yeah, we'll wait until this flips. I mean, this 50-minute candle, if you do start seeing the low, it could be a Saru play over here, which could be good. This 30-minute still has a lot of time, so it really should be good over here. Should be pretty tasty. Do you place the same trades on your IC markets and fund and talents accounts? Yes, I only try and do them in tandem. That's why you can hear those buttons going off consistently, because I just have a lot of trades on. Fake out could be incoming. Yeah, it could be, but it's because there's a lot of time in this candle. This is the thing, the 30-minute top wick is over here, so the previous one, so you got a lot of time and a lot of movement, so you should be good here. And then yeah, targets is going to be here. 151550 is going to be pretty decent. a lot easier to get that trade over there. When do you think is a good time to pop up lot sizes? It depends. Probably like every 2 months or every month, just changing. If you've made like 20-30% in a month, then just up your lot size up a bit. It all depends on your emotions in that. See you later, Connor. Adios, amigos. But yeah, like that kind of stuff is all down to you. Like some people just don't want to trade bigger lots because they just can't do it mentally, and that's fine. Like some people just can't do it. The best traders are the ones that don't look at the money and they just keep on upping their lot sizes every time they've made like 20% in a month and stuff, and then eventually they'll have a shitload in their bank. Because the reason why robots and stuff can't be forex traders is because they don't really know they can't really look left, they can't like do the proper analogy of like the candles and stuff. But the one thing they can do is not have any emotions, and that's the thing that we struggle on. Because if you didn't have emotions, it'd be so much easier. Because you'd just be like, right, enter, don't enter. So that's why I say, closing candles here, don't care, like, this is good. Specifically for those reasons. Because robots will be pretty good at this stuff. 74 viewers, guys, amazing. Let's hit 70 likes, guys, if you can. With that 800 subscriber special, holy shit, we're doing amazing. Wow, GA's still playing over here. But we got our trade over here, so that's nice. So let's just go on. Trade's called. Trade's taken. GJ. Sell. Break even. Break even. Nice. And actually, you can see why I like to break even at this point, because now I'll be in some drawdown. I'll be in like 5-6 pips drawdown at this point. We still haven't exceeded the high of the previous though, which is very, very good. But the 30-minute, it was based off the 30-minute because you closed below, so we should really be good. It may just take a bit longer. But yeah, guys, if you're new here, make sure to like the stream and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm here basically every single week. Unfortunately, I'm not here on Friday because I'm busy, but that's one day I can't really do. Apart from that, I'm on for the most part. But yeah, Friday I won't be able to stream. Let's take a look at Forex Factory for tomorrow over here. No news again on an hour time frames. That's great. Keeps it a lot easier. Keeps it a lot easier for us to get some nice solid trades in there. Come on, GJ, stop flipping. So this is what I'm looking for here, guys. This is what I'm looking for. So making this top wick over here and falling down like this, but it depends how big this top wick's gonna be at this point. It needs to chill out, my man. So gold, I mean, yeah, gold's coming back up. It hasn't closed above this zone, so I don't really care for buys. You can't really get into buys, especially how the 4 hour, the last one was bearish. I mean, it has exceeded the high, but it's also exceeded the low, so it shows indecision. We have to wait a bit longer for this trade to play out nicely. But yeah, I'm gonna post definitely those trades on YouTube today. This GBP AUD one, nice. Back testing this boy, but yeah, it's been nice back testing it. It's not been too difficult. I mean, that trade there is one of the cleanest trades you can get, really. So are we getting a closure soon, or have we had a closure? Let's have a look over here. 15-minute candle, yeah. So we've closed over here, but if we do exceed the lows, it's gonna be a pretty good entry. Oh, 73 viewers, man. We are smashing this YouTube thing. Hell yeah. You caught sells. I caught a GJ sell, yes, but it hit my break even. It went to about 7 pips or 6 pips profit, and then came back with this 30-minute top wick, which is what we've just created. So hopefully, if you do start flipping now, we'll be amazing. And yeah, it'll be 20 pips. Could be inbound. 20 pips inbound, boy. So it'll be the 50-minute salary play, it'll be the 30-minute flipping and exceeding the lows, maybe. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Should we re-enter GJ? Maybe not. No, maybe if you want. Maybe if you don't. I'll wait until the candle flips. Maybe. Wait until the candle flips at this point. So yeah, yeah, maybe in the lows, whatever, the candle flip, whatever you want. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. It won't be too long. Just be patient for this. So we're coming down here, guys, at this point. We're coming down here. We're ready to enter, boys. It's 30-minute flipping. Should be good. This hourly starting to push down. Come on. Get the 550, man. It's got an hour left in the 4 hour. That 4 hour strong bearish candle. Looking pretty good over here. Sells on GJ if it breaks those. So you can either, it depends on personal preference. Either flip here at 725, either exceeding the low. Depends what you want. And then the stop losses accordingly. So for here it would be 9 pips. For exceeding the lows over here it will be 12 pips. For me, I'm gonna do the exceeding the low, I think. Wait, is exceeding the low? Yeah, 12. Maybe on the flip, to be honest. What are you doing, Anton?
I'm getting it on the flip.
Yeah.
Because it's just right.
Right, so here we go, guys. So I got a sell
I
stop.
got sell stops in.
Yep. Haven't been activated yet. Should be soon, though. Should be soon. And this is, yeah, this is textbook as well. Yeah, with the flip and the 30, the hourly pushing down. Should be good as long as we do get this flip over here. Ooh, entered a position over here. Sell stops. Amazing. So see how that goes over here. Got 10 pips stop, which is decent. We should continue down at this point. So while we're in this trade over here, how are we going to manage risk? Look at the 15. Nothing much you can really do. I mean, nothing much you can really share risk on unless like this 15 closes, flips back up. You're pretty much done already. So yeah, this is the trade idea. Let's see if we can get this last runners over here. Should be good. Flip back, boy. Whilst we're in this trade, yeah, look at gold now. Gold is chilling at this point. GPUSD already had that drop before. At 7 AM was the candle to get into at this point, like here. 6:30 candle, sorry, and then it ran nicely. GBP AUD still coming up deliciously. Amazing. Do you mind the 4 hour support? Let's have a look over here. Yeah, I'm fine. These wicks should still continue down with the volume. Not too bothered. If it closes there though, the 4 hour, then yeah, it's kind of. But we've still got time in this candle. Hour closing in 9 minutes, skipping this. That's fair. That's fair. Yeah, 9 hours got 9 minutes. That's a good point. That's a good point. I'm happy though. I think we should stop pushing. I like this 5 minute. As long as this 5 minute and 3 minutes time closes below, bro. Keep on pushing, bitch. Exceed that low. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, GJ. Come on, you can do this, bitch. Let's go. Let's go.
Once we do exceed the low, I think it's gonna be out of here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, exceed the low, man. Oh my god. You naughty. You tease me. So guys, if you're new here, make sure you like the stream. We take a lot of trades today. Wow. A lot of trade setups. Now we're hoping this 15 to 30 minute to stop pushing over here. Push down! Come on, GJ. Use that volume. Use that London spirit. But yeah, stop loss at this point is going to be at these highs over here. So at this point, 838 kind of area for the 30 minute. Yeah, 821. So yeah, we'll see over here. Gold, yeah. GU, yeah. Look at this top wicks. Nice. Not too bad at this point. I'll tell you what, if we break these lows now, it's gonna be goody. But yeah, this hourly candle's kind of like put me off, to be honest. Now, and we're coming up towards my entry again. I'll give it a bit more. I mean, this hourly candle's got 6 minutes left. I kind of want this drive very, very soon. Struggling on the 50 minute. Yeah, I'm looking at this. Look at this now. Oh, you little ball bag. And wow, look at this. Wicking all the way back up now, guys. I'm going to take my position off right at this point at minus 7 pips at this point. So, yeah, I'm taking it all off right now. Hell no, not liking this push. Goes towards the hourly. Right, I'm out. Look at that, bro. GJ, like GJ needs to really like sort of grow the fuck up, I think, at the moment. Nah, it's good.
I'm still in.
A nice trade. Yeah, I took it out. I don't like it.
I think I want to see how the 30 minutes gonna close, and
yeah.
if it doesn't close back into the range, then
yeah,
it should still be valid for me.
To be honest, that hourly kind of put me off. Knowing that the hourly is going to be closing.
I think it's worth waiting to close.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's still got a lot of time though. That push up, I mean, I'm looking at it on the 5 minute and I was like, where the hell is this came from, bro? You literally nearly tapped the lows and then you're like, nope. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit longer. Wow, so but GBP AUD, I'm really happy with that actually. But yeah, this GJ trade still on. We'll wait for later entry. I mean, I don't know where this 5 minute candle came. I was not liking it, but still it could be valid for people. But I'm staying out of this now. I don't like it. Exceeding these lows, it just needs to get past 700, and I genuinely think it should be good. It's just, as you can see, it tapped it. Come on, this 1 minute candle. Give you a 1 minute 10 pip candle, boy. So let's look at the 30 minute time frame. Let's keep on the 30 minute over here. Yeah, so the thing is, the hourly candle is about to close, and normally like 9:30 the volume starts to die, so it needs to start coming down now. For me, 30 minute seller plays, I don't like 30 minute seller plays. I just don't like them. I just don't. At times I've used them, they've never worked. I like 15 minute seller plays when the 30 minute is also just flipping to the right direction. I don't like the 30. I think 30 is too much of a bigger candle to go against. So I normally leave these a 30 seller replay out of there. Out of there. But to be honest, you still got. Look at this 15 over here. I mean, it's going to close in 3 minutes time. Bearish. If it closes below here, it's going to look a lot better. So needs to move five pips in 3 minutes. Come on. So salary replay is basically exactly what nearly happened here, is where a candle is in the opposite direction on the 15-minute or whatever time frame. The next candle then comes and exceeds the low. You can see this nearly did it. It actually did it on trading view. What the fuck? That is called a salary replay. So someone like Don would probably be in this right now. But yeah, I suppose as long as it closes weak with a small body and then exceeds the low again, yeah, the 30-minute salary replay could be pretty decent. Do 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 do. Wow, 67 viewers, man. This is amazing, guys. We're smashing this. Yeah, this trade over here is still holding on for people. People are still holding this on. Should be good now. Look at this 1 minute. Oh yeah. Okay. The 50 for me, it'd be a lot better if it closed below. 726 would be preferable to me. Preferable. Should be good here, Antonio. Hopefully.
Yeah, as long as I get that closure below, I think I'm straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 minute time. Left to have a look. GBP is Satisfier. Let's see if there's any more charts for the stream, guys. Have a look over here. Clean break and close above 1800. Bias to the left of gold. Yeah, the only issue I have with gold is you're going against the fucking time frame. Look at this daily. Look at the daily, man. Look at this daily candle. You know, getting into a buy and when the daily candle's that strongly bearish, I don't know, just for me. And you can see in the 4 hour, like, it's just consolidating. What will happen genuinely is this. Happens all the time. It'll come up, it'll do this, it'll probably do this, and then it'll come back down. And then it'll start just... So try and keep on, even though, like, yeah, it looks quite bullish now and stuff, yeah, try and keep on that. Yes! It's flipping again. Oh, nearly about. Oh, no. Oh, 20 seconds left. So what's gonna happen here now, Antonio? How are you gonna manage risk, or what are you gonna do here? So this closure.
At that point, since it's closing bullish below the range, still, I'm just gonna hold my position.
Yeah.
No, I'm not closing anything.
That's exactly what I would have said, because we're closing. So what he's talking about here is this little zone, guys. Here, candle close back in this zone over here. Very, very bad. Oh, let's go. Well, I've lucky got in a second time over here. So let's see.
I do want a top wick, but if it just pushes right through, it is what it is.
Yeah. Never normally on our sides. This is the one time it's like, oh fuck it, I'm already in the trade anyway, just push. Oh my god, like 702 again, bro. Come on, celery, come on, boy.
I think it's gonna come up and create a top wick before coming down.
Yeah.
1 hour closure as well.
Yep. But I mean, if it squeezes out 10 pips in this time over here, who gives a shit?
Yeah, who gives a yeah, because I just need my 10 pips.
It's just for entries, yeah, but
yeah.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's have a go over here. Let's go. Let's go.
Almost at break even.
Yeah, bro. This should be continuing down at this point soon, guys. Come on, 688, 686, 685. Got in 720, so yeah, should be good. Oh, it's so annoying in our top wick though. Oh, like now it's like, bro, like should I just cash out? Nah, I should continue here though.
Oh, there you go. I'm break even now.
Yeah, bro.
For sure. I'm 5 pips. I'm good.
That's your 5, bro.
I'm risk free.
Damn. Let's go, chat. Let's go, bro. I popped a fucking.
Let's go.
I popped a fucking big lot on this bitch. Let's go, squad. Let's go. Oh shit, gee, bro.
My TP is at 151612 for my 11 pips.
Yeah, bro. Fire. Damn.
Clean trade.
Clean, bro. Amazing, guys. If you guys caught that trade over here, amazing.
Leave a like on the stream for
Mate,
sure.
me liking the stream there, guys, bro. I just got 600 quid, bro.
Clean.
Fucking get in. I got a runner here. Where's my magic keys in this bitch?
Ooh, we dropping.
We dropping. Let's go, squad. I mean, let's go.
I just hope it hits our TV before it decides to come up and create a top wick.
Yeah. Close it. Yeah, nice, guys. I mean, that shit fire though, bro. Fuck yeah. I took off like 80%, so I don't really care at this point. Amazing tick, bro. Yeah, bro. I re-entered, bro. -7. I re-entered like here. I said that when we started passing again. I was like, bro, this is gonna start flying again. Check my Instagram. You can see the bands I just caught. Yeah, I did. But I re-entered. I re-entered, don't you worry. Wow. Amazing.
That's why I waited for the 30-minute time frame to close, because I think it was important to know where it was gonna close at.
Yeah.
First before, you know.
Yeah, well, to be honest, the reason why
I stopped out.
Yeah,
Break even.
the shit came back out. Yeah, damn. Oh well, good shit, guys. We got our 10 pips there. Amazing. So, yeah, I got a -7 and I got a plus. I think I got a. What did I get there? Yeah, I got like a plus 10 shit. So not too bad, because I got in on the flip over here. So like at this point, I also actually cheekily, I didn't tell you guys, but I actually got up here as well. Cause I was just confident with this bitch dropping. I saw on the 5-minute over here we were starting to reject, and I was like, oh bro. And look at the 1 minute with he's driving. I got in like 7.5. I'm pretty sure I had one here as well, 800. But amazing. Note to self: close full, then re-enter if all signs point to same direction for better entry. Yeah. Well, obviously I just took I took that little pull up here because I didn't want to be in the trade when I saw this 5-minute pull in like this. I'm telling you, I was happy to keep that trade over here at that point. And then when candles started coming back down here and exceeding these lows, I was like, right, this is the time we're going to be selling. Obviously, the hourly not making the top wick for the re-entry was a bit of a risky one, but because I got in a bit higher before the hourly close, I was happy to keep that trade on. Amazing trades here, guys. So let's actually just do this over here. So I got out of like -7 pips, and then I got a +10, I got a +15 as well, bro. That's gonna keep on continuing. That's mad that 5 minutes still closed, didn't close below. So re-entries here now, I would not. The reason is because this 5-minute here, can you see? This 5-minute hasn't closed below this zone over here, so it makes it a lot harder. So let's have a look for trades called, trades taken. So
now it's gonna drop.
It's made the top wick in the hour.
Yeah.
-7 pips, and then GJ by +10. We got. Wow, amazing. And then those GA calls as well. Damn. So yeah, look, this hourly's now made the top wick here. We should continue down, and we should finally hit 550 at this point, which would be pretty nice for the day, to be honest. Let's have a look at today's history. Holy shit. Damn, yeah, today was fire. Like 600 bands. Damn. So lovely stuff. Oh, let's just move this. This looks a bit chalked. There we go. So if you guys caught any of them trades today, make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's hit the 70 likes, 75 likes. Note to self: close full and re-enter if all signs point to the same direction for. Yeah, for sure. Like, getting in the break-even trades, this is the reason why we quite like break-even, because you can always re-enter. So like for me there, I was happy to make sure that top wick and then start flipping down and exceeding those lows, bro. Fire. So let's take a look at. Wait, did I put buys? Oh my god. Let me change this. So I was being very cheeky there in chat, but I did get into some of those. GJ sells a bit higher up. Buys plus 10. Well, what chart was I looking at? Is GBP AUD still carrying on over here? Let's have a look. Damn, look at that. It's still continuing over here. So let's go to 30. Looks like still continuing. Are you Raja Branks' brother? Yeah, I'm Raj's brother. Do I look like Raja Branks' brother? Amazing guys, you held your trades. I shit myself with that 5 minute. That 1 minute pulling up like he was like, oh, you know what, I could just re-enter, fuck it. I mean, amazing. Let's have a look over here for gold at this point. Gold still respecting, as I said, we're respecting these highs. Did we get a closure on the 15? Nope. See, so there's no closure, so here there'd be no trades. GBPUSD still continuing down, I think. Look at the hourlies, look at the 4 hourlies pushing down. Nice. GBPAUD still continuing. We got a lot of trades talking today. Let's just stop that recording over here, because I did the trades there. Nice. I held my trade just like Antonio. Yeah, so definitely, what's it called? In October, I will be doing the kind of like the live trades. So every single day I'll show you what trades I took on the thing on MetaTrader, and yeah, showing you like how many trades I take a day, which is normally, I mean, today I fucking entered like 2 or 3 times to get them sells, but normally it's like 1 trade a day. But you'll see very quickly, it's very like Raja. My trades like blue normally like $350, $400, and then £400, sorry, and then my losers are like 120, 180. Yeah, so it's pretty good. But amazing stream. We've been hitting like 79 viewers today. We've been having 57 concurrent. GA is still flying like a bitch. GJ should still continue down over here, and it should actually tap this zone over here. So 151550. That'll be a pretty good target. So what are we thinking about for NY session over here? So NY, this is what I expect price to be at. So I don't know how many times it's going to take, but it probably will now either get back to these lows over here. And then what I'm going to be waiting for is a candle closure, just like we just had on GBP AUD at the highs. This is what I'm looking for the lows, and here for GJ for the sell. So wait for the top wick, and then boom. We look left for targets, all that good stuff. Or if you want to be a bit cautious with stuff like this, you can do this. Wait for candles and then come up. If you miss the drops, if you miss the drop, then wait for the candles to come back up. Then wait for bearish rejection again, and then ride that bitch down again. So there's always kind of setups every single time I come to the chart. It's the same setups every time. So that kind of thing with breaking the zones, closing below, is exactly what just happened here. Look, closing below, easy. And you can see now we're running off nicely here. Hit like 25 pips, amazing. For gold, I'm going to be looking continued sells again. We've got an hour and 50 of this candle. We've also made the top wick now on people's Owandas. For sells below 1794 over here, 1794 is what I'll be looking for. So yeah, really cracking trade. At 74 likes, amazing. Hey bro.
Go on the 15 minute on GJ real quick.
Yeah.
Let me annotate. Looking at possible, so zoom out 1 second, look to the left. Yeah, so around here, you got a closure below here.
Yep.
In about, what, 3 minutes? 10 pip stops.
Yeah, that could be
15-minute time frame, clean traffic.
Yeah, that's true. To drive back down. For people with later entries, yeah, that's fire. Are you thinking about it?
Yeah, I'm thinking about that entry.
Nice.
before I hop off, yeah.
That could, as long as we don't fucking fly down here already. Look at this. 60. Ooh.
Got like 3 minutes. Should be good.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So I mean, wow. I mean, so let's have a look at sells. Trying to get in a bit earlier. I know a lot of people got in here, but for me, closing on this support here just wasn't the move. But a lot of people took these sells over here at 8 o'clock with the push. The way to probably get in is maybe exceeding the lows, but then the thing is exceeding the lows. Like, this is the thing, right? Because at the moment volume's really good, people will be like, Max, why didn't you get in here? Everyone else got in here, and I go, well, because there was support at this point. There was support at this point, and because the volume's really good at the moment, this is fine. You know, this volume. What's it called? This volume's pushing through it, but I know with the later months with winters, if you get into this mindset here, you're gonna lose a lot of fucking money. From wicked outs, from fake outs, from going to wicks of candles and rejecting. Trust me, this is all to come in the winter months. So this is why, even though now I take a lot less trades than people on stream, are like, oh Max, like I took this trade. I'm like, yeah, I know it's really good, but the reason why I don't take these trades because I know these work. It's just the discipline of knowing that in the months to come, in the winters, these trades are going to be very, very unprofitable, and I've just done it from experience. I would take these trades all day long in summer, but like, yes, I'm like the new fucking Wolf of Wall Street, and then in December, November, October, getting absolutely my ass is clapped. So that's just from past experience, which happens, as time goes on. But yeah. So it looks like GJ over here is kind of doing the move already. So if you go at this point, you can still get it out. Yeah, look at this 30-minute salary play though. Wow. Wow, amazing. This shit pumping. Oh, it's a shame he got wicked out though, innit? Fuck. But we knew that was gonna happen because the Owlie didn't have a top wick, so.
Yeah, there was no top wick,
yeah.
So kind of expected.
Yeah. Find some resistance on GJ and retest the lows for NY, and for gold sells below 1792. However, if gold looks like it may retest the lows from where it is now. Let's have a look over here. I suppose, yeah. I mean, bearish, respecting these resistances should continue back down to these lows over here. The issue, like the biggest issue I have with getting into trades in zones is, yeah, it probably is going to float down, but the issue is just that you're going to be in this trade for long because when candles break zones and stuff, it's a lot easier to get into trades. They break in this very, very quick 10 pips. Look at this candle over here. So obviously these started dying down. Then look at this. Look at these candles. 50 minutes, 50 minutes, 50 minutes, 50 minutes. It could take a long time. It's just a bit of a pain in the ass. I like being in quick, fast. You can see those trades we were in before were very, very quick. Wish you kind of like the stream 2 times. But yeah, for me, just wait for gold. And also gold here. Look at the past hourly closure, very, very strong. Just waiting for breaking the zones. It'll come out a lot easier, a lot quicker. With volume at like 130 for US, it's just a lot easier to take the trades. GPUSD still coming down over here. Oh, looks like we've just done that move already, Antonio. Fuck. Damn.
Yeah, kind of dropped. No entry for me. Plus,
Yeah.
there's no bottom wick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna call it a session.
Yeah, for sure, bro. We did well
Yeah.
today. Finally, we get volume back, boys. Finally, the stream. Everyone's been in the stream for like past 5 weeks. I bet they're like, Jesus Christ, this shit's fucking boring. I'm like, yes, because
Bro, I'm
GJ
telling
needs to fucking break some zones, please.
GJ man ass.
Lovely, man.
Anyways,
But yeah, lovely
my
stream,
G.
guys. Lovely stream. I'll see you later. I'll see you on NY.
I'll see you later,
bro.
my G. Alright, peace out, chat. See y'all tomorrow.
See you later, bro. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to be wrapping up here as well. So later on, yeah, just wait for zones to break again, and yeah, we'll be back in NY. I'll be in the Discord as well, like looking for trades and all that good stuff. So if you did enjoy the stream, make sure to give it a like before you go. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We're going to be nearly to 1,000 subscribers, and that is going to be a fire with the magic keys giveaway at that point. Question on Discord. I'll look at this one. Where was the question? Where was the question? Pretty good. 12 pips, thank you. Very, very good. Very, very good, guys. Where's the message, bro? Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the stream. I'll try and find this message in a sec. Oh, look at GJ. Holy shit. Nice. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the stream, guys. I'll see you later. Thank you very, very much, guys. See you later. Peace out.